Good morning. It's marathon day. Come with me as I prepare for my 21 km marathon. My first half marathon today. It's 4:48 a.m. Now I'm ready. See you guys later.
So again, in Emerald, meron pang lumihing interval, not time interval, so please be reminded of that. Now yung first meeting naman, yung magpapodium. And be safe, all our 21 around.
Yes, the first wave. All right, Tina, everyone.
Hey!
Hi, all right. Congratulations sa medalya.
Seven km. Down to the last half of the marathon. 12 km, 9 km more. We made it. Kilometer 12 is quite hard. So sana umabot ng 15. Sana 12 to 15 kilometer will be difficult. So let's go. Yeah. My Achilles is quite hurting. So we're in a junction of Ligaya to Lagaw. Kilometer 15. Let's go. Gamay na lang po. Tangina. We're in nearby Lagaw Public Market. So medyo maliwanag na. Time check. It's 5:05. Last 2 km. I guess I can make it. Almost there. Good job, Self. I made it! Asa wag ano?
You are our biggest delegation. Awesome Power Runners. Punta na dito sa ating podium.
Thank you.
At sa count of 10, 9, 8.
I made it! Asa wag ano?
Tira.